Speaking with Andrew Sparke this morning from QMines on Just Stocks. Andrew, morning. Good to catch up with you.
Morning, Andy.
Look, the eagerly awaited PFS has arrived on Mt Chalmers. It hasn't disappointed. Run us through some of the highlights.
Look, it's fantastic, and I've got to say the QMines team has delivered again. This is actually, Andrew, our sixth resource update since listing only just under 3 years ago. We put it so as you may have seen, there was an update that included a resource update, a PFS, and a maiden reserve statement. So we just keep hammering it, knocking it out of the park, so to speak. But the exciting thing here is that there's still a lot of growth coming. So we're really excited how this is progressing. But this initial pre-feasibility study really shows that this deposit makes a lot of money, which is great.
And you're looking at it's a fairly low cost operation.
Yeah, look, it's one of the right at the low end of the cost curve. And that's the benefits of being an open pit, oxide deposit that's shallow. So so it just generates a lot of strong financial economics because of that, which is brilliant. So
and you'll be looking to produce a basket of metals here, including gold and copper. Great timing in particular for those metals.
Yeah, absolutely. Look, it's a dominant copper deposit with a very strong gold credit. There are a couple of other minor metals there, but it really is a copper deposit where the majority of the economics are derived. So that gives us an enormous amount of leverage as we enter into this energy transition. So there should be a fair bit of upside as those prices run.
And speaking of upside, worth reminding investors, Mt Chalmers, this is just one of, is it 4 known deposits there?
Yeah, that's right. We've only touched the surface here. So this is the first of 4. So we've got 3 other known deposits in the region. And so the activities going forward will focus on bringing those into the mine plan, which will obviously really goose the economics and really improve returns for our shareholders, which is great. So look, I think it's time to get off the fence, guys. The team's been delivering. It's obviously been a tough couple of years in the junior end, but this copper price is really running. And I really think that QMines at 15 million market cap, with having delivered so much, is a fantastic value bet. So,
have you been fielding much third-party interest either at a project or company level, given these?
Yeah, don't say too much, Andy. We have actually we have announced in our quarterlies to cleanse this that we have actually got a little over a dozen parties in that data room at the moment. And so this is about how we can fund this in a non-dilutionary way. Obviously, I mentioned we're very well valued at the moment, so we don't want to go back and use the typical equity levers. We are looking at how we can fund this in alternative ways so we can really preserve that upside for our shareholders. So we've got a lot of really big groups in there. So can't say too much, but certainly watch this space. Yeah.
And so from what you can tell us, what's next, Andrew, for QMines?
Okay, so we're moving up to Develin Creek next, which is one of the next 2 deposits to bring into this mine plan. We've got a big drilling program planned, which we'll have more to say next week or 2. So it's all about really incorporating these other deposits into the mine plan and doing some further regional exploration, hopefully to make some new discoveries. So yeah, lots on the way.
Good to speak, Andrew. Thanks for your time.
Thanks, Andy. Good to chat.